Come on, by YouTube. Danny here with Kids and Hydroponics. Boom! Look. Yeah, I had some issues growing my plants, but there was still a few that didn't die all the way. So when I transplant them from here, comes out like that. When I transplant them from here, yeah, those look bad. Those they look bad. Some of them do, but we're still gonna go ahead and put them over here. So when I transplant from there to there, I go ahead and take them and whoop. So all you gotta do. If you have the right soil, I'm using Pro Mix. There's a few other ones. You fill your bucket up like you need. Take the blunt end, square end of the chopstick. Push down. You go as deep as you want. And you talk about save some time. You can leave a little bit of dirt on the end of it too. Dirt don't make much of a difference. The tomatoes are really strong at this time. I plant extras. If you're worried about them hurting your plants, you know, do them the other way. Just put them in. But I've got plenty of these. The ones I needed, I had to go buy if you've seen the other video. But chopstick. Pal. Those got two, so it'll be a little bit harder. Anyway, that's how you knock it out. If you have two people, it goes even faster. You got one person pulling the plants, setting them on top of the cells where they go, and you got another person that's just poking them down. You can roll through thousands of plants like that. I'm planning on having thousands of plants. I only got a couple hundred, maybe. But that's what we got going on. So anyway, I'm a little bit more happy. The sun's not out. I wish it was. The sun's not out. But South Louisiana ball, you gotta love it. Y'all grow that later.